Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. One question which always comes to me is, I don't have time. How can I practice English speaking? After a long day at office or college, when I go back home, it gets very difficult for me to take out time to practice English speaking or do something or the other about, English, learning this language. So what should I do? So this is a very common question which is asked to me every single time. And this is everybody's problem. And I actually agree with it. We are so busy in our professional life, in our student life or college life, or, our work at home as well. If we are a homemaker, we are busy with that as well. We really don't get time because we have a lot of things to take care of. I completely agree to it and I understand it. But now things have become much easier, guys. So today I'm going to talk about 3 activities which you can include in your daily routine, which will not take any extra time of yours, which doesn't need much attention, but you have to club it with your daily routine. Whatever activities you are doing, you have to club these 3 activities along with it so that you can practice English speaking, or you can create an English environment around you so as to learn this language. So these activities are very simple, very easy, and you will be able to do it and you will be able to follow it also without fail. So let's talk about it in this session. On that note, guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section, which is very important, guys. And do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. You can increase the speed also, but do watch it completely. Okay, so let's get started with today's topic. So we all are in a hurry, we don't have time, but we want to do a lot of things. We want to learn this language as well. We want to get fluent and confident in speaking English as well, so as to be successful in our lives, right? And we don't know how to do it. So here's a solution. I'm going to give you 3 activities which you can just include or club it with your daily routine or activities, and it is going to absolutely help you to become fluent and confident in speaking in English. Trust me on this. So coming to activity number 1, what you can do is use social media. Now we all are on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. Right? And we do browse it every single day, multiple times. Not only one time, multiple times. Right? So here what I'll suggest is, what you can do is start coming up with status, start writing stories, start coming up with reels or comments on social media. Your friends post a lot of stuffs, or somebody or the other whom you are following posts a lot of stuffs. Why can't we write 2 sentences about it to share our ideas and thoughts? When we read somebody's post, we do get a lot of ideas. We do agree or disagree, or we have some thoughts in mind. Why can't we take 2 minutes to frame 2 sentences and write a comment there? Or else, someday you're very happy, someday you're feeling low, someday you've achieved something. There are lots of things which happen every single day. We get up and we see the weather is so good and we feel so fresh that day, right? We feel like, having something good that day. Why can't we take it to our Instagram or Facebook or any other social media site and write a status about the weather, about how we are feeling, about my first day of college or office, anything, whatever is in your head, whatever is in your mind, you can just post that. Come up with a reel, short reel, and post it. But it has to be in English, right? So that is what you have to do. So we do it multiple times a day. We read everybody's post, we see the photos, we check the reels, everything we do. We check the statuses also. We do give a smiley, we do give a thumbs up and a heart and etc. So instead of giving a thumbs up, heart and a smiley, why can't we write something? This is very interesting. I liked your idea. I agree with you. Or we can just write a status. I'm feeling very happy today. It's my first day of college. Or the weather is so nice today. I feel like going out for a walk or a ride, whatever. Whatever is there in your mind, just put it there. Okay, so try doing these things, guys. You are there on social media, you browse it multiple times, but make sure next time when you are browsing your social media, when you're reading somebody's comments or story or checking out somebody's reels or photographs or, etc., etc., try to make sure you write something in the comment section, or you write something in your status, or you post some story on your account, social media platform. So start doing this. If you start doing this, it will really give you a lot of confidence to start expressing your thoughts and ideas in English. This is how you're training your brain to express yourself in English. And then later will come speaking also. So this is the first thing you can do. Start writing and start using your social media. Number 2. This is also related to social media. So today I've chosen social media only to help you out with this problem of not getting time to practice English speaking. So my next solution is call up people on WhatsApp or Messenger or any other app which you have, calling app which you have, and start speaking to people one-on-one in English. Now here what you can do is either you can make a group of friends or relatives or anybody else like your neighbor, your friends who is interested in learning this language. When you are in school and college, you will definitely get 1 or 2 people who will be interested in learning this language. If you are a professional also you will get 1 or 2 people who might be interested in learning this language. So what you can do is you can come up with a group on WhatsApp or any other social media platform and fix a time, right? And make sure 5 minutes every day you take up a topic and you speak on it in English. Now, topic is not something you have to decide. The entire day something or the other happens and we speak to our friends and relatives about it. I call my mom multiple times a day to speak about something or the other. Now, my mom is not fluent in English, so I can't talk to her in English about it. But if you have a group of people who wants to chat and talk in English, you can just directly call them up and discuss the topic with them. What happened to you today? There was some incident which has happened, right? What do you feel about it? What do you want to share something about it? The entire day something or the other happens which we want to tell. At home also I have a family of 3. So I share it with my family also. Right, the same thing you can share it in English with those people who can speak in English and understand English, right? I'll give you an example. I talked to my daughter about what happened in school, right? So this is a routine of ours. When she goes to bed with me, I do speak about what happened in school in English. And the other thing, what we do is I tell a story to her in English and she tells me a story in English. So this is our bedtime routine and we prefer talking in English. So she also tells me what happened the entire day in English and we tell a story to each other in English. Okay, so this is how you can also plan. You can also come up with, you can also speak about in English with your friends, right? So here you have to build confidence in speaking in English. And that is why I'm asking you to start talking to people in English. Start talking to your friends. If it is a group of 1 or 2 people or 3 people, the maximum people you talk to, you gain more confidence speaking with them. Okay, so take your phone, speak to them. You can do a voice call, you can do a video call, whatever you wish. Okay, 5 minutes a day, not more than that. Any topic, anything which has happened, just speak about it randomly. Okay, don't think that you have to come up with a topic. Like, you just have to think that in our mother tongue, we do share our thoughts with people, right? We talk to a mom, dad, brother, sister, neighbor or friends about a lot of things, right? We do talk about how is studies going on, if they have some notes, or if the project going on, what have they done on the project. So take those topics and start speaking in English with them for 5 minutes a day. And on that WhatsApp group, you can just chat also in English. So that is how you create an English environment and you immerse yourself in English and you can start talking in English as well. Okay, so this is another thing you have to do. Number 3, Now, this is also related to social media. As we are glued to social media, we check it multiple times. So I just thought of clubbing social media with the activities which will help you to practice English speaking. It's a very smart idea and it is definitely going to help you. So this thing, now here what you can do is, there are lots of groups and communities on Facebook, on Instagram, X, etc. It's like LinkedIn, etc. Lots of social media sites, you know it better than me. So there are lots of groups and communities which you can join for practicing English speaking or learning English. Right? So there are lots of groups and communities there. Start searching. If you want to have a conversation, you'll find that group also there. Join those groups, join those communities, read it. Whatever things comes there, whatever things are posted on these sites, on these groups or communities, read it every single day. Make sure that you give some time to this thing as well. Read it, work it out, practice it, engage with these groups and communities. It is absolutely going to help you to better your English, to get fluent and confident in speaking in English for sure. Okay, so if you don't have time, join these groups and communities. Of course, things will be coming up. They will get a lot of posts and you will keep on reading that. You will keep on learning something or the other. And then, of course, if those groups are chat groups or conversational groups, it is better. It will be more beneficial for you. You can take out time and you can start speaking in English. So this is all at your convenience and anywhere you can take up these. Okay, so there's no specific times. You can allot time accordingly, according to your convenience. So that is why club these 3 activities with your daily routine, what you're doing. You browse social media multiple times every day. Make sure along with it, you practice these 3 activities also. You include these 3 activities also there. And it is absolutely going to help you to get fluent and confident in speaking in English. And if you have any queries, if you have any questions, if you want to know more about any other thing, any other topic, let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help you out with it and to answer your queries. I've also come up with a consultation model on soft skills or communication skills and career counseling. If you need any help, if you have any queries related to all these things, do drop me a comment in the comment section and I'll reach you for that. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye. Take care.